For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
India has always been known for producing some legendary batsmen and spinners. But now, India's pace attack is stacked up with great talents and the competition amongst the bowlers has increased significantly. Over the last couple of years, Team India's pace battery has become a force to reckon with. Indian pacers have been mighty successful at home and overseas. Indian pacers have performed exponentially well, which has made Team India lethal in every condition. Former Australian pacer Brett Lee reckons that Indian pacers can dismantle any top order. India's pace attack, which has been phenomenal in the past 3 years, has the capability of knocking over any top order in world cricket, but it will again boil down to how much the ball swings. India's got some extremely good paced bowlers that are capable of knocking over any top order. Once again, I think it comes down to how the ball will swing or not swing in different conditions. Team India is set to tour Australia for a test series from December. It will be one of those series which will garner eyeballs from across cricket fraternity. Both teams have some match winners which can turn the game around at any moment. However, the battle between the pace attacks of both the sides might just decide the outcome. For India, the likes of Jasprit Bumrah, Ishant Sharma, Umesh Yadav and Mohammad Shami have been exemplary in recent times. From raw pace to swing, India has all the bases covered in the fast bowling department. Under Virat Kohli, Indian pacers have come a long way and have emerged as match winners. On the other hand, Australia too has some of the very best bowlers at their disposal. The Troika, Mitchell Starc, Pat Cummins and Josh Hazlewood has proven their mettle. However, conditions will also play a massive role in the outcome of the highly anticipated series. According to reports, Cricket Australia has decided to begin the test series at Gabba in Brisbane, a venue where Australia hasn't lost a single match in the last 3 decades. The first test will be played between December 3rd and December 7th. The second test match is scheduled to begin from December 11th and will be hosted at Adelaide Oval. The second test match will also be a day-night fixture. The third will be the Boxing Day test beginning from December 26th at the iconic Melbourne Cricket Ground. For the last test match of the series, India will travel to Sydney, while the match is scheduled to begin on January 3rd, 2021. India registered a historic series win the last time when the team toured down under. India is the only Asian team to win a test series on the Australian soil. The face-off between the bowling attacks of India and Australia is all set to be a mouth-watering affair.